to 1000. So that's basically, that's how we change the injection rate in simple modeling. And then these time steps, basically the time steps that we are interested to review during the simulation. And as you can see here, the template case that we have move only per one day. 2nd July, 3rd July, 4th July, and so on and so forth. But I'm interested more in moving bi-monthly. Okay, so 1 February, like this, 2023, and then 1 March, 2023, and then 1 April, 2023. After that, 1 May 2023. And here in the template case, we have permeability or transmissibility change due to rock failure because of the injection. Let's say we want to erase this first. We do not need this for a particular case, so I'm going to erase this. Okay, don't worry, that's okay. And also this one. Later on in the future, maybe we will add to the simple model the geomechanics. Okay, so that's it. And then after that, basically you can just copy and paste like this to expand the time steps. You can also do this in Model Designer of the navigator, but basically we are doing it in simulation feature. And then August, after 2023, we will move per year instead of per month. So it's going to be September, after that October, and then December should be November, and then December. All right. And then after that, January, okay, 2024. Okay, 2025, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's first. Okay, or maybe to make it more beautiful and easier for me, I will change it to 2020. Okay, so that it will be easier for me to count 150 years. Okay, so it's like this, 0, 0, 0, and 0, 1, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we start at 2020. So I'm going to complete the injection within 5 years. So 2020, 2021, 2022. So I'm going to stop at 2025. So at 2025, this is, I'm opening this time step, and then I add to shut in the well. I use this keyword well open, and then this is the setting. The keyword is shut, so I'm going to shut my well, and this should be the name of the well that will be shut in. And the name of the well is of course CO2, like this. Okay, so this is how we shut the well at a certain time steps. And then we will move for the observation. Again, we will move per 1 year. Okay. Okay, so we reach 2030. After that, we will move per 5 years, or maybe per 10 years. Basically, if you use a very, very long time step, you will miss something between the two time steps. But because it's simple modeling, it's early study, never mind, don't worry. We will move like this. And please note that, of course, the computation will be much longer because you have a very long time steps like this. So now we reached the year 2100. After this, we will move per 1 year, 100 years. Okay. And then it's okay. Okay. 7, 8, 9. Now the year 3000. Wow. Lastly, 3000, 3020. Exact 1000 years after the start of the simulation, January 2020. Okay, so that's it. That's how we change the operation, changing the injection rate and expand the time steps. Close. And of course, after this, you will need to reload the model to see whether all the changes that we have made correct or not. Okay, so let's reload the model. All right, so after reloading, this is what we have. By the way, I do some changes a little bit here. So I change it back to 1 January 2018. This is actually not very important, but because I use a sample case, so there is a constraint that makes me unable to change the initial time, the start time of the simulation. So I will keep 1 January 2018 like this, and we will still use the new, like just like what I've made, the new time steps. Okay, so it's like this. By the way, using the 2018, January 2018 as the first time of the simulation actually does not change the computation basically. What matters is, of course, the schedule. And we start the schedule from 1 January 2020. Okay, so it's like this. And then we shut the well at 1 January 2025. And here, if I expand the time steps, you will have the new time steps like this. From January 2018 down to 3020, which is very good. Okay, and then if you go to schedule, well production, now the well CO2, gas, status open, controlled by injection rate, and then this is the injection rate. Surface flow rate, which is the upper limit, 1000. And this is the upper limit of the, the bottom hole pressure. Later on in the next videos, maybe I'm going also to change this bottom hole pressure limit. Okay, and what else maybe for this particular simple video? Okay, so that's it. In this video, we have talked about expanding the time steps and changing the injection rate and setting at which time step the well will be shut in. And of course, after that, we are going to run, but I will not record it. So let's see and see you in the next simple modeling videos. Thank you and see you again.